your girl, Miss Cherry 2.0, but everyone in my area knows me as Miss Photographer, and welcome to my photography series.
Baddest in the house. She's a baddest in the house.
So this is my first time making a YouTube video in a while, so I am a little bit nervous. So bear with me, all right? So once again, my name is Cherry, also known as a jack of all trades. I am from Florida. I do have a Caribbean background, but I live in Fort Myers currently. When I first started off with a camera, it was doing vlogs and current events, and pretty much anything I was good at, I would, share it with YouTube or Facebook at the time. I started out seriously with my first camera was in 2015 or 2016 with the videography and photography. Kind of took a step back because I had to deal with a lot of life things that was going on. So now I am a full-time photographer as December the 22nd, and I decided that I need to take a new venture and become my own boss like I've always been doing. I definitely love what I'm doing now, meeting new people. I've been more so into event photography. I've been getting a lot of nice bookings with that. I do portrait photography, but my goal is to get into weddings, and I want that to be my niche. So what I've been learning have been self-taught, so I've got all the information I could get. I collaborated with other photographers to learn different settings and modes, and the best way to shoot, the best lightings, editing, Photoshop, you can name it. I've learned it all. This is why I'm creating this channel now, so that way other beginner photographers can know different tips and tricks into taking the best pictures they can and keeping their clients happy. So I want you guys to look forward in the future of learning more about the cameras, equipment, different apertures, settings, different locations and poses, and even tips and tricks that you guys have that you want to share, whether you're a photographer or not. Please drop it in the comment section. Feel free to DM me. I'm always willing to learn more. And to all future photographers, I wish you nothing but the best in success. And thank you so much for watching.